Let's look at how to sync presentation slides with voiceovers in just 3 steps. Go to murph.ai and open a project. First, convert all your slides to image format using the export option in PowerPoint or Google Slides. Now, go to the Upload Images button under Video and Images tab in the top menu, and upload all your slides together. Next, let's enter the narration script. Make different blocks for each slide, and copy-paste your script here. Now, click on Generate Voice to create a voiceover for every slide. Last step, to adjust timing, go to the bottom timeline. You can increase or decrease the size of each image block according to the voiceover time, to get the perfect sync of slides with the voiceover. If you need to rearrange some slides, click on that block and then use the Move Left or Right option from the top menu, like this. Now, go to Quick Render option under the Build Video button to generate a preview of your voiceover presentation. Repeat the steps until you get perfect timing. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial.